Do you feel body pains? Do you feel pains in your bones? Do you have a general body pain? Do you feel restless? Does your bones hurt so badly? This is a remedy for you. Get an olive oil or body's oil or any oil of your choice, either virgin oil or coconut oil, any oil you get at home. Now get that oil, cut garlic into pieces, okay? Put the garlic into the oil. You can take at least 3 garlic or 2 garlic cloves, cut them into pieces into the oil. Now let it settle and let it fuse into the oil, okay? Let it mix up with the oil very much, okay? Now if you are going to sleep, apply it all over your body, from your head to your feet. Apply it all over and massage it thoroughly. Now this is what you are going to experience. You will see that all the general body pain will gradually be leaving. Your joint pain will be healed. God bless you, and watch out for my next episode.